Here's Ethan getting ready to pull himself up on the couch. I think. Maybe he's giving up. Probably not. He has a lot of perseverance. Here we go. And we're up. Ethan! Ethan, look at Mommy. Hey, Ethan. Are you proud of yourself? Oops. And that is how our day goes. Constant pulling up, and then he doesn't know where to go from there. But he's having a good time. Say bye-bye, Ethan. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.